Saginaw Chippewa Nation Tribal Court, 24 mediation training scenarios. Saginaw Chippewa Nation Tribal Court, prepared for Tribal Mediation Training, prepared by Michael Cunningham, Legal Studies Director. Scenario 1, Casino Slip and Fall Parking Garage, Wet Floor Injury. Employee slipped on unmarked wet floor. Claims casino ignored known leak. Wrist fracture, 3 months lost wages. Tribe denies negligence, cites distraction. Scenario 2, Tribal Election Violation Campaign. Misuse of facilities. Incumbent alleges challenger used center without approval. Claims false promises of casino payouts. Respondent argues equal access for all candidates. Political retaliation concerns. Scenario 3, Child Custody Dispute. Custody of 6-year-old daughter. Mother alleges father's alcohol use plus long work hours. Father claims interference with parenting time. Child anxiety noted by psychologist. Competing claims of caregiving stability. Scenario 4, Boundary Fence Dispute. Encroachment on tribal trust land. Elder claims fence built 4 feet onto maintained land. Respondent cites valid tribal permit, conflicting surveys from 1985 versus present, long-term land use versus formal permitting. Scenario 5, Tribal Employment Termination. Housing Department firing. Employee alleges retaliation for reporting harassment. Tribe claims rent payment discrepancies. Missing cash records disputed. Reinstatement versus dismissal. Scenario 6, Medical Malpractice. Delayed cancer diagnosis. Patient claims doctor ignored symptoms for 6 months. Later diagnosed with advanced pancreatic cancer. Clinic asserts protocols were followed. Expert testimony on prognosis impact. Scenario 7, Divorce and Asset Division. 20-year marriage dissolution. Dispute over home on tribal land. Business debt versus hidden income claims. Emotional abuse allegations. Asset split and housing security central. Scenario 8, Auto Accident Liability Intersection Collision. Plaintiff claims defendant ran red light. Defendant alleges plaintiff speeding. Police report suggests admission of fault. Ongoing medical treatment for neck injury. Scenario 9, Casino HR Discrimination Promotion Denial and Retaliation. Chef alleges racial bias in sous chef selection. Casino cites supervisory experience. Witnesses report derogatory comments. Promotion versus settlement negotiation. Scenario 10, Tribal Business Contract Road Construction Payment Dispute. Contractor claims $78,000 unpaid. Tribe alleges defective work plus delays. Engineers disagree on drainage issues. Payment reduction versus full compensation. Scenario 11, Dog Bite Liability. Child bitten on neighbor's property. 9-year-old required 15 stitches. Owner claims child provoked dog. Fence condition disputed. Emotional trauma considerations. Scenario 12, Inheritance Dispute. Sibling conflict over mother's will. Petitioner alleges forged will. Respondents present notarized document. Verbal promises versus written estate plan. Allotment and per capita rights disputed. Scenario 13, Roommate Rent Dispute. Non-member tenant conflict. Petitioner claims unpaid rent plus damages. Respondent claims rent-to-own furniture deal. Subletting rules prohibit non-member tenancy. Text messages central evidence. Scenario 14, Judge Recusal Motion. Alleged judicial bias. Defense claims judge related to defendant. Prosecution denies conflict. Witnesses allege favorable treatment. Recusal standards under review. Scenario 15, Tribal Grant Fraud. Youth Program Funding Misuse. Audit shows $22,000 undocumented. Director claims expenses were program-related. Attendance numbers disputed. Repayment versus dismissal. Elder care neglect. Bed sores at Elder Care Center. Family alleges neglect due to understaffing. Center claims elder refused assistance. Medical experts cites prolonged immobility. Policy changes and compensation sought. Scenario 17, Fishing Rights Dispute. Jurisdiction over tribal waters. Fishermen cited for no state license. Claims area is tribal boundary. Historical maps support tribal claim. State asserts jurisdiction. Scenario 18, Business Partnership Split. Native Crafts LLC versus Tribal Arts Council. Partnership terminated over pricing quality. Owners allege discrimination. Customer surveys contradict council claims. Reinstatement versus dissolution. Scenario 19, School Bullying. Bullying of tribal student. Parent alleges school failed to protect child. Student shows PTSD symptoms. School claims immediate discipline. Policy reform requested. Scenario 20, Per capita payment dispute. Member marked deceased in error. Incarcerated member removed from rolls. Claims clerical error from another state. Tribe cites residency requirements. Reinstatement and back payments sought. Scenario 21. Powwow injury runaway food cart accident. Plaintiff suffered broken leg. Claims cart unsecured. Committee says she was in restricted area. Safety protocols questioned. Scenario 22. Voter registration dispute. Disqualification of 50 voters. Incumbent alleges improper removal. Board cites missing documentation. Election monitor notes inconsistencies. Reinstatement before election requested. Scenario 23. Casino parking lot accident. Pedestrian versus vehicle. Employee struck walking to shift. Driver claims sudden movement. Fault determination unclear. Lost wages and medical damages. Scenario 24. Cultural vendor dispute. Termination of craft vendor contract. Sisters allege discrimination by Arts Council. Council cites quality complaints. Sales data contradicts council claims. Reinstatement versus payout. Our program provides the very best training and experience in summary of mediation themes, common tribal court issues, skills focus, neutrality, cultural competency, next steps for mediator training.